Staking Solana on Robinhood is a straightforward process that allows users to earn rewards by contributing to the validation of transactions on the Solana network. To get started, you need to have a Robinhood account and some Solana tokens in your wallet. First, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the cryptocurrency section. From there, find Solana and click on it to open its details page. On this page, you will see a stake option. Click on it to begin the staking process. Next, you will be presented with a staking interface where you can choose the amount of Solana you want to stake. It is essential to note that staking requires a minimum amount of Solana, which may vary depending on the current network requirements. After selecting the amount, you will need to confirm the transaction. This step is crucial as it involves locking your Solana tokens for a specific period, during which they cannot be sold or transferred. The staking period may vary, but typically it ranges from a few days to several weeks or even months. Once you have confirmed the transaction, your Solana tokens will be delegated to a validator node on the Solana network. The validator node is responsible for verifying transactions and creating new blocks on the blockchain. In return for contributing to the validation process, you will receive staking rewards in the form of additional Solana tokens. It is vital to understand that staking Solana on Robinhood comes with some risks, including the potential for validator node failures or network congestion. However, Robinhood has implemented measures to mitigate these risks, such as diversifying validator nodes and monitoring network performance. To maximize your staking rewards, it is recommended to stake your Solana tokens for an extended period. Additionally, it is crucial to keep your Robinhood account and wallet secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. In conclusion, staking Solana on Robinhood is a relatively simple process that can help you earn passive income by contributing to the Solana network. By following these steps and understanding the risks and rewards involved, you can make informed decisions about staking your Solana tokens.